customized COB LED strip creates a seamless light from start to finish. The new strip design uses inverted chip LED to eliminate visible LED dots, hotspots. COB LED strip colors can be customized in single color or multiple color combinations. Length, width, pad position, light-emitting surface, color temperature, electrical parameters, etc. can all be customized. This type of strip has wide range of color temperature options from 2700K to 7000K, as well as customizable RGB colors to meet lighting effects in different environments and needs. Its dimming ability is flexible. Users can adjust the brightness according to specific needs to achieve ideal lighting effects. The cuttability of the module makes installation and adjustment more convenient. The design of integrated cables and tool-free connections at both ends greatly simplifies the installation process. In terms of physical characteristics, COB LED strip come with a wide range of customization options, include special overall dimensions and substrate thickness, 0.8 to 3 mm, with minimum bandwidth of only 4 mm and max length of 1200 mm, which keeps it at a leading level in the market. The design of solder pads is also highly flexible, with the option to choose front or back design according to needs, and multiple solder pad modes to choose from, further simplifying the installation process. Regarding production and service, the development cycle of COB LED strip is short. Production and shipment can be completed within 1 to 2 weeks, quickly responding to market demand. Welcome to Inquire It Now.